If you've ever wondered if email marketing is dead, then this is the perfect video for you. I'm gonna share why email marketing is so important, especially in 2021. All right, here is the answer. But not before you go ahead and comment down below and let me know once you've subscribed and what email service provider you currently use, or if you're trying to figure out what email service provider you want to use. My name is Candace Janae. I am a digital marketing consultant and marketing expert, and I'm gonna share with you why email marketing is so important, especially in 2021, all right? So let's get into it. Number one, here's the answer. Email marketing is not dead. Email marketing is not dead. Seriously, it's not dead. People are using email marketing, especially consumers. 91% of consumers open their emails on a daily basis, okay? So, just because people are not opening your emails every single day, that does not mean that they aren't going to pay attention to your emails. Now, one thing I will say is that there's a statistic that's floating around out there that basically says that 47% of people will only open an email based on the subject line. So the subject line is super important when it comes to email marketing, because you have to get creative to get people to actually open the email so that, you know, it doesn't just sit and rot in their inbox. But just because people don't open up emails all the time doesn't mean that you should stop sending emails. The average email open rate is around 21%, and usually you can see higher open rates than that on, especially if you have a smaller audience. But people pay attention to email marketing because they like to see discounts, they like to see offers, and they like to stay in the know. They may not always open your email in the moment, but they may go back later, and this is a way to help them just help your brand stay top of mind. And so tons of marketers, I believe it's 9 out of 10 marketers today are using email marketing, okay? So if marketing experts are using email marketing, chances are you should be using it in your business. From a personal perspective, I use email marketing throughout my entire business. I have two major ways that I do email marketing. One is through automated emails. So what is that? That's when I send or when someone purchases something or they get a download or a freebie, there's emails that are gonna come after that that is gonna automatically trigger based on them taking an action. But once they are on my email list for whatever reason, whether they've purchased something or whether they've purchased something or they added, they joined one of my challenges, or maybe they signed up for a freebie, now they're on my email list and I can market to them consistently based on what I know they're interested in. So I can market to them and I know they're interested in whatever said thing they already said they were interested in. And so I can talk to them about products related to that. And so it's really important for me to utilize marketing in my own business, but I recommend whether you are a retail, e-commerce business, whether you have products, you have services, you should totally be using email marketing. And especially if you have e-commerce or retail, you should totally be utilizing the abandoned cart emails. You should definitely be giving people, you know, some sort of freebie or opt-in that gets them automatically on your list. And of course, I'm gonna do an entire video. This entire series is going to be all about email marketing, but I'm going to do an entire video about how to actually grow your email list in 2021 and how you actually get people to join it, and how I've been able to build an email list in a pretty short period of time. And so it's really important for you to really take what you know and put it in email content. It doesn't have to be really, you know, difficult. You can share tips, you can share ideas, you can share funny jokes, you can share relevant news, whatever it is, you want to stay on top of it with your audience so that you're staying top of mind to your audience. Email marketing, the stats around like the actual return on your investment, for every dollar that you spend on email marketing, you're gonna get a $42 return. That's the industry average, that you're gonna get $42 on return for you spending dollars on marketing on email. So like I said, email marketing converts, and it's a really easy way to just kind of, once someone has given you their contact information, it's a way to just connect with them and say, hey, I've got this going on, or just talking to them about their needs, adding value some sort of way via email, and staying on top of mind with them. I sell a lot of what I sell via email marketing. Yes, I sell online, and yes, I sell from Instagram, but a lot of times I sell based on people who are on my email list, and I'm communicating with them. I'm selling high ticket offers. I'm selling low ticket offers. I'm selling events. I'm selling my membership. I'm doing so many different things. And so it's important to really utilize email marketing in 2021 because it's not just, this boring thing, but it's actually something that will help you generate income for your business, regardless of what type of business you have. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped you understand why you should be using email marketing in your business, but you likely need an email marketing funnel in place. And that's something that I teach my clients and provide to them in my Six-Figure Maven program as well. But I love to really kind of give that ideation behind the email marketing so that you can simplify the process and really meet people where they're at, nurture them to the point where they're able to actually engage in working with you longer term or purchasing from you in the moment, all right? So do me a favor, go ahead and comment down below once you've subscribed to let me know you've subscribed so I can welcome you to the family. And as always, I love y'all. Thank you for watching my videos. Like this video and share it with someone that you think may need to hear it. All right, bye. See you guys on the next video.